I am Naila Bhatti and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we at news from Saudi Arabia. Riyadh Cricket Association Saudi Arabia organized a wonderful prize distribution ceremony at RCA complex. Riyadh Cricket Association, the pioneer cricket association of Saudi Arabia, organized a wonderful prize distribution ceremony at the end of the Summer Bash 2024 tournament RCA at RCA complex, in which large number of cricket fans, including players, participated. Former captain of Saudi Arabia national team and ICC qualified coach and CEO of Riyadh Cricket Association, Mr. Mohammad Nadeem Babar, was the chief guest on this occasion. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Nadeem Babar said that due to the efforts of Patron-in-Chief of the Riyadh Cricket Association (HRA) Prince Dr. General Abdul Aziz bin Nasser bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud, cricket is getting a lot of promotion in the whole of Saudi Arabia, including Riyadh. Nadeem Babar added that the Pakistani Indians, Bangladeshi and Sri Lankan players living in Saudi Arabia are capable and are playing well. On this occasion, Mr. Nadeem Babar thanked President Tariq Javed, SR President Nasir Abbasi, Vice President Ashik Mughal, General Secretary Ishfaq Bhatt, Media Manager Atif Amin and other executive committee members for their efforts for the promotion of cricket. Speaking at the ceremony, Senior Vice President of Riyadh Association Nasir Abbasi said that RCA has always played its constructive role in keeping the cricket fields occupied. We are organizing such tournaments and providing opportunities to players show their skills. The event was also attended by Summer Bash 2024 coordinator Vincent Joseph and the other RCA executive committee members. The speakers congratulated the winning team Amar Soul CC Faisalabad Wolves, Saad Eksai and REGC Blasters CC and showed commiserations with the runners. Runner-up teams Semaphon CC, Riyadh Thunder CC, Kohsar Jain CC and KK Sports Polite. At the end of the ceremony, trophies and other prizes were distributed among the participating teams. In the prize distribution ceremony, the players were very excited after receiving the prizes and retired to play the game with same spirit.
For more updates and news, like and subscribe our channel Saiba News HD.